Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to get help in Windows. So let's begin the video. To get help on Windows, you can simply press F1 on your keyboard while on the desktop or in an app. This opens Microsoft supports in your browser with helpful articles. You can also use the Get Help app. Click on the search button and search for Get Help. Now open the Get Help app from the result. You can search common issues here or type the issue you are facing. You will find an article. If you don't find the solution here, click on the Contact Support and then select your product or service. And then select Category. Then click on Confirm. Now you can chat with the support agent in your web browser. Then follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more helpful tutorials.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.